We playing a bunch of big dogs. Let's get it. This nigga big dog is so butt. Yo, throw that alley. What does this nigga do? What the broke? No, you had a chip out pass. You gotta let me chip out pass. Hey! Oh, nigga buckets, chap. These them OG buckets. We running straight big dogs. I got it. What the? Wow! That's the best rebounding point guard I've ever seen in my life. It might be Janessa. But just, hey! What is this big dog build though? We got questions.
I don't think you can go alleys.
What is this build? Why does this nigga have devil horns, no shirt?
Why did you shoot that?
What? God, who? Why does who shoot like that?
I got you.
We caught this shit at the same time. This throw it to me. Stop throwing this nigga alley. He's so butt.
I can't control it.
I know, but damn. Why he still play defense, please? Why this nigga still got his chain? Why he got devil horns, pink hair, swim pants with stars on them with no shirt and no shoes? Thank you. I can dunk on people. Did he just start twerking? I'm saying. Oh, not even a miss. That's a bucket. Hold on, wait. This nigga big dog don't got no fucking scoring moves at all. This nigga straight passing. What the? What the? I quit. I quit. Damn it. I quit. Why did we all run into the? Nobody can shoot if we're all in the paint. Oh, he made that motherfucker. Hell yeah, it's a bunch of niggas. Where are his cornrows? This shit's not natural. Bro, I'm so lost on what I just witnessed. We gotta do that shit again. We gotta run that shit again. We have to convince another random to run big dog. For who? Our teammate? I'll allow it. I just realized how free this content is. We have to do that again. I'm switching to big dog immediate. What? Why is this nigga in our lobby? Hey, whatever. Where's big dog? Yes. Wait for real? Nah, I ain't see it. I'll have to check back in the recording, but I'll just clip it.
This nigga did school. Everybody in school has to do
type shit. P5ing in this game isn't hard if you spend money. It's just coins and one manual. Winter League reward fix issue. Dear Ball, we found out the Winter League reward is wrongly distributed. During 2-6 emergency maintenance, we fixed the reward correctly. Why did he switch? Nigga want to be different so bad. Good try. Oh. Hello, ballers. We applied sanctions to users who have initiated chargebacks. Permanent ban. Wait, what? Maintenance bug fix. When are we getting ranked back? That's all I want to know. When are we getting ranked back?
Hey, when rank starts, I'm doing the same shit.
What?
I'm gonna put straight speed cards on this nigga.
Speed cards on big dog is the issue. You don't have chip out pass. I probably should. You probably should let me do that because you don't have chip out pass. You're not P5, are you?
Hey, pass me that fucking rock. Shoot it.
What? This nigga. Box out demons. Ooh. Bruh, the only thing maxed out on this nigga is alley-oop pass. Everything else is 1 out of 5. And alley-oop pass comes by default maxed out.
I'm not going out there. You better get that.
Ooh!
So,
Oh, buckets.
yeah, having two Jokic's on the court. No,
All right, boom. Oh, we can't guard Yuna in 2025. Come on, bro. What are we doing?
she came out this year.
She came out last year.
Shit, can you get the man? Type shit.
I think she came out last year.
No. Just make it better.
Bucket.
That should not be a bucket.
That shit should definitely not be a bucket. That shit on accident, nigga.
Why does he not have made a layup?
He don't got bro. Everything this nigga has the word pass in it, except box out.
Where you at? Where you at?
I'm helping.
Help me!
What do you need help with?
Damn, this is fucking.
I told you this nigga big dog can't grab no boards. I can't even get over to the board in time. This nigga's so big dog for three. Oh shit. This is just late night shenaniganery. Bang! It wasn't block pass, but I'll take it, nigga. Come on.
I'm over it.
The question is, do we play this nigga after halftime when his stamina and ability is gonna be butt?
Absolutely. I would sit in the
Come on, big dog. Sauce him up for game. Drive. Ooh, blow by. Ooh, pump fake. That was not the move. But hey, I said pump fake.
When you try to do the layup pass, do you like stick your stick bars? You just swipe your finger across both buttons.
I press X and then I tap A. Like, damn near immediately. Bam! Ooh! Touch pass, nigga. Not touch pass. That's a chip out pass. Yeah. Yeah, I'm switching off this nigga. This nigga is boo boo. Play Fox? Oh, yeah, we're saucing niggas up. For the content, chat. Or do I show them how good I am at Amanda?
I don't think she gets spin moves until she's P5, which is so ass.
Who, Lulu?
Yeah.
Bro, these niggas want to be tryhards and shit. They got P6, fucking Blair and Claire. Lame ass niggas.
I love that shit.
Yo, I think the video can hear you.
What? Why did she miss that?
Do you know who that is? That is what the? Yo. Clara gets on my nerves. Stop. Nerf now. She gonna do that fuck ass layup shit. Oh, never mind. You didn't. We can't be saying these words, Jordan. These discriminatory words to black people. We can't be saying these words. In other words, shut up.
When did I? Why can't you hear the face up? What the?
Because my AirPods ain't been in the entire time.
What is going on?
I had you here for comedic relief, and then you started saying stupid shit, threatening my channel. Stop. See, now I gotta edit. I hate editing. Stop. I don't edit my videos. I just upload.
What is
Bang! I said spin move. Simon said jump. Yo, nigga thought that shit was cool or some shit. Ah, she makes that. That's quick point. Oh.
Hey, bro, I'm too slow. You ready for this? I'm the king. Shit, I'll try to pass the ball. It's supposed to be bait. I was supposed to bait her.
What the?
I'm not getting this board. I will
just block it. What the?
And she shot with her left.
I think she's a lefty. She might be. I don't even know. Hey, yo, cut. Pass the ball. You some buns. I told you this nigga tough as fuck, bro. Spin move so peak. Come on. You want to sauce me up? Try me. Try me, bitch. Ugh. Bet. Oh, shit. Call timeout. Hey, call that shit down. What? That shit didn't count. Oh, what? That shit did not happen. I bet. Your Blair is tired. I'm lying.
Why did you shoot the ball?
Because I had a shadow blocker behind me. Hey, Blair, if I would have... What? Fuck no. Nice. Get bored. I'm open. I'm wide open. I'm wide open.
Is that Fred?
That Fred?
It has to be Fred.
That is Fred. What the hell? What the hell, boy? We just can't let them hit no threes. Please don't let these niggas hit no threes. Give me that shit, nigga. Cookies, nigga. No, stop, stop. Terrorism, terrorism, terrorism. Yo, why did she move so far down the court? Bang! Oh, you butt. Hey! What? It don't matter. We win. GG's. This nigga's getting dropped, though, immediately.
What did he do?
Loose ball and point. Bang. Type shit. What did he do? Why is he getting dropped? That's a great question. I don't even know how this nigga got in the party.
Huh?
I don't even know how this nigga got in the party.
On the party.
You what?
I put him on the party.
Why?
Why not?
Pipe trip. Now, I need this nigga to scroll through his characters real quick. Wait. Scroll. No. Scroll. 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 What the...
I told you. I don't think Laquan's gonna scroll.
What the... Jordan?
What?
He's scrolling. Every character he has is P5 level 10.
I told you this.
Who do I have as a good point guard, chat?
I want some Tucker Tommy Beyblades.
Type shit. I'm gonna play the professor. We're throwing straight alleys, chat. Straight alleys. I got the professor for free. I learned how to use this nigga. It's like that. Lay me. Oh my god. Scoop shot. Wait, reset. Scoop shot. Wait, did I miss? Whoa. Whoa. Chat, in ranked, we need to ban the professor. This nigga's level 100. That name tag on the top, I've never seen in my life. Have you ever seen a name tag on the top before? Didn't want to play Kim so bad. Oh, Jordan, they're all P6. Isn't this the league we just played? Huh?
You just played these people.
All of them?
Except for like one, I think.
I'm about to say, I know we just played this league.
LeBron can't be real. I just was
What do you mean LeBron can't be real? He's the GOAT. That's why he's real. That's like, that's the definition of real. Like, just like, that's real.
Watch this. Perfect timing.
When bust on my AP. Perfect time.
You really died, right? You really like.
You right. I can die for the ball. I forgot I can do that now. Why am I under the basket? Do your job, Jordan.
You're the one who's not doing your job. Get off the bench. Go to the point guard.
You were already on the point guard. I told you to run a switch. You didn't want to switch. I told you to come back to the paint. Do your job. And you didn't. Lay me! Now! Professor's so peak. Oh my god. Why is she so insanely fast? What the hell? Give me the ball. Let me get this bucket back. Okay. Jab step. That shit's butt. Pass it to Jordan. Shoot that motherfucker for 3. My fault. I'm lying. Pass, nigga, pass. I quit. I didn't even mean to press timeout, but we calling a timeout. No, I'm tryharding now. I don't care. Where is she? I'm tryharding. Straight twos. Straight automatic buckets. I don't care. I can't have fun in peace. I'm tired of this game. I don't want to play anymore.
What was he? What was the workout?
That's a great question.
Why would we tell shoot this?
Why are we making these poor decisions? Why are we not paint camping, chat? What's going on? There's no 3 seconds. There's no defensive 3 seconds in this game.
Why is that not blocked?
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Fade away. What the fuck? I didn't mean to do that. I meant to grain it, but it wouldn't have mattered. Can we call another timeout? Pass. All right. I'm done trolling for the video. I'm done trolling for the video. We actually need to win. I want to win. Nice. Good buckets. Good buckets. Good buckets. See, like I was trolling for the video, like to have fun and shit, but like that shit's over. It's first half, but we need to. What the? What kind of pass is that? I've never seen anybody make that pass in the history of this game. Bucket. What?
You don't deserve that bucket.
Oh. Shit. These niggas have fucking Warriors levels of off-ball movements. What the heck? What in the name of fuckery? Bah! Fucking hate point guards, but fuck Ginger. She a bitch.
Why is he so fast?
That's Ginger. I didn't peep.
Yo, this has to be the worst form.
And she's P6. Yeah, fuck that. I'm tryharding. I like really tryharding.
Did he break his foot? Okay. What the world? I don't understand why he was working out like this. I didn't switch. Did Jackson Hayes just block Curry off the backboard? AI.
Yo, this nigga said AI. You acting like that nigga, like there's not an insane height difference. Is this Carter? I might get locked up. I'm not gonna lie. If this nigga knows how to play Carter, I might get clamped. We're getting boo-booed on. Jesus. Alright, listen. No more trolling. Pass me the rock.
Nope, he doesn't know what the fuck he's doing.
Who?
Why is she shoot so late? Oh,
That's a bucket. Come on, Helena. All I need, we need clamps. Hey, if they pass, we might have to 3v2. This nigga Carter don't make no shot, but I don't know what level he is, so this nigga might make some shit. Why are we leaving her open? The one that can shoot. Their Carter is not P6. He is level 100 though.
I was trying to...
Nice. Bang! I did not time that shit whatsoever. Come on, Carter. You have no offensive bag. That nigga thought that shit was... Oh. Bucket. Bang!
That's a crime.
Who?
Carter.
Oh, Carter. He's so butt. Oh. What? Nice! Yeah! Yeah! Do it on myself. Yo, what the? Jordan, please!
I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
Yo, why is she sitting in the corner? Oh, fuck. Fucking Helena, do something.
You know what's over there.
Bucket. Jesus. I don't know if I have enough time. If I have enough time to get enough shots off and make them.
Well, if we can get turnovers type shit.
We have a point.
Why did she make that from in her cones? Teammate is alive.
Yo, why does Carter get steals like this?
I mean, that's kind of...
Manual! Don't forfeit. When did this nigga get Manuel up? You told me that nigga was clamps on defense. I checked this nigga moves. He had not one offensive move in his bag / repertoire. Why did this nigga just manual lay me after he blew by me somehow? Nigga is not fast. But I quit. I quit. Forfeit. 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 Get the shit out of my feet. Don't get. Yeah. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gone.
This nigga passed the phone to the op. Toby, you're working for the op. This nigga was working for the opposition.
I don't have words. I don't. Fuck me. I appreciate y'all for watching. I love y'all boys. I'm going. Peace. Bye.